Testing 1, 2. Testing, testing. Can you guys hear me? Am I coming through? Okay, we're back. I think we're back. I think I know what I was doing wrong. I'm going to stop multi-streaming. I was multi-streaming to Twitter or X, and we're going to stop doing that. I think that might be part of the problem. Let's hope. Let's hope. So that's so frustrating. Very frustrating. Hang on, I gotta log into Streamlabs. And we're going lower. All right, we are officially below the 800s now. Let's see. Whoa, that was news? Or what was that? Whoa, what was that? Big rip lower now. Be careful here, guys. Be careful. That was a crazy move lower right there. Big rip lower here. Be careful. 750's being tested. That was like a 50-point ripper to the downside. Wow. What was that? Was that news? It had to be something to do with news, but 948? Why would news be that's got to be some unsolicited news or something. Wow. Be careful, guys. Be careful. This is looking very dumpy. She looking very dumpy. The instant $100 win for me. Let's go, Matty Matt. Yeah, this is crazy. Be careful. Just past one take profit trader. Let's go. Nicely done, Michael. Wow, what a rip. That was a crazy drop. I mean, we were at the 800s and boom, 60 points just like this. Boom. This is where it gets very Dira. Okay, I'll check it out, Dira. Be careful here, guys. The not trader. Oh, it's because of government shutdown? I thought we already government shutdown. Sounds like a fun time. I say we shut it down and just keep it shut down. So if the government's shut down, I'm not paying my quarterly taxes. Right? Right? Do I have that right? I'm not sure that's how it works, but I wish that would be how it works. Let's see, is it gonna keep dropping here? Man, I'm kind of tempted here to take a short, but we almost need to get below this 730 level. Below the 730 level, and then I mean, if this keeps dropping like this, I think we got to look at it. If we can get another leg lower, maybe we take it. All right, I'm just gonna wait here. If this is, I mean, we all know NQ, this thing can just rip straight back up through the 800s. So I don't really want to jump in short here. Just I'm gonna wait till this kind of volatility dies down at least a little bit. Look at that, ripping him right back up. All the way up again. There she goes. He's crazy. This market is crazy. I mean, the last 2 days have been really bad. I mean, yesterday's price action was terrible until the afternoon session. Once we had the afternoon session here, then it wasn't too bad. But right here in the morning, this here, oh man, I was ugly. Ugly. Feel like we definitely need to just be like, I don't know, especially in the morning. It's just smart to be very, very patient. I mean, you can catch some big moves probably, but you can catch big moves, but you can also get destroyed. It's very wicky with big moves. Yeah, really, Matty Matt? Yeah, it's been it has not, I mean, I don't want to blame the market, but the market the last while hasn't exactly been great either. At least not for me. Of course, some people are making a ton of money. Right now, some people are doing really well. Well, just depends what you're looking for. Just depends what you're looking for. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm a little bit interested. I might trade my trade day accounts here. Like if we make another move down below this, we can come up and retest like the 780s here. And if we reject, then okay, never mind. It's just going to keep going back up. Man, that's crazy. It's crazy, this market. I tell you, look at that. Now, we're all the way back up to the 800s now. That is wild. Wild. I tell you what. So we have news at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock. So I guess we just wait and see. Look at this. This is wild, man. It's the Wild West out here, folks. It is the wild, wild West. It is the perfect NQ. It was a perfect bounce off of this level right here, the 730s. It's exactly where I had it. This was from yesterday. Yesterday's low. Perfect bounce, but hindsight is always 20/20, you know? Yeah, welcome back to April. It does feel like it almost. It's almost like it's back to when we were having talks with tariff. Not quite though. Back in April when the tariff thing was going on, the tariff thing, that was wild. Like that was levels of craziness. Like right here. Like right in this time frame right here. Like that was a wild, wild ride. I remember, who remembers when Trump tweeted? Trump literally tweeted, buy the dip or something to that effect on this day right here. And we bounced from the 17,400, actually it was the 17,250s. And in one day, we went from the 17,250s all the way up to the 19,750s. That is how crazy that it was back in the day. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, yikes. What is going on here? I mean, I want to take this short, but the volatility is just off the chain. What is, okay, news. It's the news. Be careful, guys. Be very, very careful. This market's being very weird. This market is being very weird right now. Be very careful if you trade this. I wouldn't recommend it. Something is, this thing is growing crazy. Wow. What a craziness. Look at this. I mean, it feels to me As long as this 730 holds, I feel like we can look for longs. But man, it's crazy. Yeah, the 50-point candles are back. Hold on to your seats. Hold on to your pants. She crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Let's see if we get back above that 810, maybe. If we get it back above that 810 or not. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's safe to trade this. You think we're going to 25,000 today? I wouldn't be shocked. I would not be surprised. Would not be surprised. Yeah, RX, that's very good advice. Take profits if you get them. Take profits if you get them, because all right, let's see if we can get this thing going or not. I do feel like this is going higher. I mean, we've tried to go lower twice and we really couldn't get anything going. All right, let's see if we get through that 810. There she goes. See if we get back above the 820s now. Ugh. Man, I'm going to wait till volatility just dies down a little bit. See if we can't get a little better, little cleaner trend. Right now, it's just ranging. But it's definitely looking like we are going to go higher. Shutdown equals layoffs equals new sources of liquidity. Stocks to the moon. Strange Trader, thanks for another great video update. Happy trading. Thank you, Strange Trader. And here we go. Testing that 820 again. Man. I think we're officially in the buy the dip phase of the market again. Buy the dips. And hope it rips. Come on. Whoops, I almost was on the wrong account. I want to be trading. I think I'm going to look to, right now I'm going to look to trade my trade day accounts. I'm just going to be trading one mini for now. If we come back down and retest like the 800s here, if I get a good long setup, I think I'll take it. Come on, market. Pull back. Give me a nice pullback entry right here at the 800s. This might just keep going straight up, though. Oh, boy. Is this just going to go straight back down now? Don't just go without me now. Be patient. Be patient. Man, it's still very volatile here. Gotta be patient. Ah, come on. Give me a... I'm trying to wait for my entry here. Gotta wait for the close of that candle. Ah, we might not get it. You kidding me? I guess we just wait now. I'm not gonna go long up here. Kind of the problem when it's so volatile, it's hard to get a good entry. If you wait for a candle close, it's difficult to find to get an entry on it. Hey, RX8X, you're up 500? Oh, man, if you're up 500, it might not be a bad idea just to call it. Just make sure you short the exact top and bottom. Exactly. Is it safe to eat a 3-day-old pizza? Yes. Market has no shame. It doesn't. It's just going to go higher now. I think after like 10:30. After 10:30, I'm hoping we see the market be a little more chill. We just wait. Let's see what happens. How do I randomly pop up with 5 new PAs? It's called passing them. Visual multimedia randomly pop up. It took me 4 days to get 5 evals passed, just FYI. We're just gonna have to be. We're just gonna have to wait, I guess. We are just gonna have to be patient. This is now just. That's where I always get frustrated because the catch-22 of trying to be patient. Do I trade 2 different strategies to pass? I mean, yeah, I trade completely different to try to pass evals. I try to pass evals as fast as I can. I'm not here to waste time. I don't got time for that. Hey, Tick Hound, good to see you. Bryce will slip. was watching a random video and you and your wife were on it. It was a baseball game. The guy got hit in the face. Yeah, that's right. That's right. What are the odds? What are the odds? All right, market. This is where it sucks being patient. Gotta remember though, just gotta stick to it. I guess I could have entered, but I don't like entering when the entry is right at the previous high. I just don't like that. But it would have worked this time. It would have worked this time. All right, let's see. We get back above that 840 level now. Get above the 840s, and then we just start moving up toward the 900s. And I could see we could be taking out. We could see 25,000 today. We really could, but we got to get up through the 840s with some momentum. All right, there she goes. There she goes, making new highs. Womp womp. Wow, look at that. I'm sad. I am sad that I just totally missing out on this move. Maybe I just need to take those setups, even if it's at the prior leg high. Just usually those are a little bit higher risk, but what a rip. What a rip. Go figure. Go figure. I just copy trade evals as minis with my fundeds on micros. I see the 5-minute chart. I mean, that's not a bad idea. It's part of the reason that I just, it pains me to try to pass take profit trader because it takes forever. It takes 5 days. Oh, all right. Well, now we just got to wait for a pullback, retest 840s. And hopefully we get a little better entry here. But right now, this is just going straight up now. One thing I have to remind myself is the day is still early and there will be plenty of opportunities to trade. No need to just get FOMO and jump in when it's not needed. Wow, what a nice move up through the 860s. We ripped right through that 840. Hey, good morning, Timbo. Just remember why you took some time off. I know, Timbo, I know. I knew I was going to get tested. Like, you just know you're going to get tested when you come back. I just knew it. Oh my good, look at that. Unbelievable. Of course we go straight up. Of course. Of course we go straight up. It's okay. We're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. Nothing stupid. Let's not do anything stupid. The FOMO is real, though. Yeah, it looks like the market likes the government shutdown. I know. Is QuantGuard usable for traders starting to use it and have been locked out twice? Seeing him. Yeah, I'm sorry, Travis. Right now, unfortunately, it's having a lot of issues. I'm trying to be patient. All right. I mean, this is where it gets very difficult to trade because we are so far and overextended. We're so far above the 21 EMA and even the 9 EMA. Actually, I need to add, I have the 9 EMA on this chart, but it's so far extended that you cannot chase this. You just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. Yeah, wait for the waterfall again. It does. That's the thing. This thing can drop 50 points like it's nothing. So you gotta be, just gotta know, gotta be prepared for it. Look at this. This might just, we might not get much of a pullback at all. Oh. Hey, how we doing, Win? Today marks my complete break even in this prop firm with total 40K payout. Oh, wow. With all payouts. Let's go, Win. That's a huge milestone, man. I remember when I was finally at break even, and it's a big relief just to it's a big relief. Yeah, look at that. Now we're just going to get those micro pullbacks, and this is just going straight up. I don't know. I don't know what I guess. Look at that. Just straight up. Man, this is... We're going to have to sit on our hands. Yeah, Brandon. Hey, Captain Crunch, how we doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. You're shorting the 880s? Hey, good luck, sir. Good luck. Hey, Brandon. Been at this for 3 years now. See improvement every month. Have yet to achieve payout, but close. Hoping Tape Profit Trader will get me there. Apex seems harder to achieve payout. Hey, let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. I hope you, yeah, good luck. Take good care of those Take Profit Trader accounts. Hey, it's good to be back, Captain Crunch. Colt Warner. Yeah, FOMO is a real deal right now. FOMO is a real problem right now. We all know that what's going to happen, though. We all know if I jump in here, we all know what will happen. So we're not going to do it. Wow. Look at that. All the way up to the 890s now. We might not get a pullback until we get to the 900s. You got to think we're going to get some kind of pullback at the 900s, though. This is wild. Oh. That is crazy. Yeah, 913 is the yesterday's high. Yes, Matty Matt. Yeah, I'm sorry, Timbo. Can you zoom into the seconds chart to find micro setups? No, my friend. I mean, I could, but I don't. I know you could try to like do that, but I don't want to get in the habit of doing that. Right now, this is like an overextended move, and usually when there's an overextended move, you will see an overextended pullback, and right now I just need to try not to get trapped in that move and just gotta be patient. Tanush, I have not updated to the new Ninja, but I do need to. I've been having rhythmic connection issues in the middle of trades. It just disconnects. Is that with the new update, Tanush, or is that, have you not done the update? Okay, so you have the new, I have, okay, well, see, I don't have any rhythmic accounts at the moment. I don't have any rhythmic accounts at the moment, so I'm not sure. It doesn't seem like an issue, but look at this market. Man, this is getting very frustrating. The LTD, so you can see right here. LTD is the Lucid direct to funding accounts. Lucid now offers trade of 8. ELTD is trade day. I see. So maybe it's because of the new update. I know, RX. Not a single pullback. Not a single pullback. It's crazy. Hey, BTF, I appreciate it. Thank you. But that makes me a little bit cautious to update. All right, maybe we are getting our first pullback. Now, it's 10:30. The volatility seems to be coming down a little bit. Oh my god. Don't. Are you kidding me? Is this really just going to go right back up? What is this? I'm just going to be patient. I am committed to being patient, and I'm going to do it. Yeah, I don't want to long it. I don't want to go long up here, but I definitely don't want to go short. And right now, I'm okay missing this move if we just keep ripping higher. We will get a pullback, guys. Trust me. It will happen. It will happen. The key is to not. We got to just make sure we're ready for it when it finally does happen. But I need a bigger pullback than this. Look at that, though. Unbelievable. That's actually crazy. I give up. I give up. I give up. It's just going to keep going higher, man. We're getting those micro pullbacks, and that is it. That is it. Government shutdown. The market loves the government shutdown. What are you talking about? Dad, just joined the video and saw you not moving for a second, and I thought it froze again. Why not set a clock in the back? Oh, yeah, it is. It's right here. Right to, it's, oops, that way. It's right over there. Sorry, design knob. Sorry. Am I bad luck? Am I bringing you bad vibes? I don't even know what. I mean, I really was hoping that today wouldn't be one of those days. Are we going to get a pullback now? Maybe, please. It's crazy. Heading to the short with a little DCA, not financial advice. Thoughts and prayers, Captain Crunch. Thoughts and prayers. I'm afraid you're going to need it. I hope it works out, though. Look at this daily chart on NQ. Look at this daily chart on NQ. Look at this wick. I'm telling you, this thing could give us... We could see the 25,000s today. We could see new all-time highs today. The way this is going is crazy. And right now, I guess we just... Oh, it makes me sad. Oh. Need to put a I want to have a 9 I want to have a 9 EMA and a 21 EMA anymore. I want to see both. All right, are we getting a pullback? Oh, please don't tease me. Don't tease me, market. Yeah, bad news, market moves. Yep. I feel like when the overnight session, when we had this big rip lower in the overnight and we took out kind of this 640 area, like that was kind of a sign that, especially right here, when we had this big pullback reversal right here and then just immediately back up, it's definitely a sign, a bullish sign. And I mean, we were looking for longs, but we just didn't, we really didn't get a good setup. That's why we just didn't take it. It's one of those days where you can look back and like, oh, I should have taken this trade, but then hindsight is always 2020. Come on down, market. Do you ever have people griefing you for being so honest and open and transparent? Brandon, you mean who? You mean other streamers? Um not I mean, yeah, I've heard sometimes, but I don't really care. Hey, we have our first official touch of the 9 EMA, guys. Now this is where we got to be very careful, because this also, we know, we've been here too many times. We know the NQ can just decide all of a sudden that, hey, I'm done going higher. Now I'm just going to keep going lower. That is, we've seen that before. Hey, Brandon, thank you. I appreciate it. Let's go, Captain Crunch. Let's get, I hope you you might be good. You might be good. Peter, me being long is a trend changer. I feel for you. I feel for you. I know how you, I can totally know how you feel on that one. All right, market. This does look like we're finally getting that pullback. Now we just got to be patient. Is this my 2-minute chart? Yeah. Okay. All right, now see, technically we should take this long, but I don't want to. If we get back above the 890s or 990s, sorry, 897s here technically. All right, we're just gonna wait. I mean, if we get a pop here, we're in. If not, I'm totally kind of okay with not getting filled here, to be honest. It's not time yet. Pretty low volume. I mean, the volume isn't too bad, honestly. All right, I'm canceling this. We just gotta wait. Let's see how big of a pullback we get. Maybe we want to go test the 21 EMA. Maybe. Okay, I do need to watch this. Yeah, this is starting to look like a little bit of a slow bleed lower now. I'm definitely happy just waiting. Let's wait it out. Wait till we get a little bit of a spike. Spike in volume. Wait till maybe we come test the 21 EMA. This is where we just wait. We be patient. Oh dear. we gotta get this. We gotta go. We can have her stop right here. If this is a fake out, I mean, honestly, it's okay. Fake out or not, we got a good, this is what we were, we might get a fake out, but I'm okay taking this. Yeah, it looks like a fake out. Maybe. If this fails, then we gotta wait. All right, like to see a little more volume here. Rip it. Come on. What time is it? It's 10:50. That could be the other problem here. I don't like this low momentum here. We got to get continuation here above the 893s. But we can still get going. Starting to feel, though, like it's going to slowly bleed lower. One of those moves. Hey, Nao. Good to see you, Nao. Lynn Davenport, good to see you. Gold has some nice clean moves. Yeah, I was watching gold yesterday. Man, gold is crazy. Gold has some pretty decent moves, but I just didn't I don't know. Don't feel comfortable trading it yet. All right, market. I don't like those wicks. Every time we push higher, we get wicked. Come on, market. Now rip it. Rip it. Go. Keep going. Rip it. Don't fake out here. Don't fake out. Keep going. Do I trail my stop here? Gosh, I hate trailing my stop. Like, I really don't like it. Come on. Just keep going, market. You can do it. I believe. I believe. I believe. Just got to be patient. Who is saying to themselves, this is a great price to buy? I think I'll get in long. Right here, Design Knob. Right here. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Don't let me down now, market. Don't let me down. Starting to make me nervous. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, this market's being difficult now. Feel like right now is the time we need to avoid. It's doing the whipsaw fake out. Usually it's followed with a slow bleed lower. Maybe right here. Come on. Just go. This thing is frustrating me right now. Right here, right now, this has got to push. If we don't make a move right here, I'm starting to get cold feet. I might just close it, even though I'm really trying not to close early, but at the same time, I do use some discretion. I'm gonna take my money there. I don't know. This is what I don't like, and I've been trying to pay more attention. I've been paying a lot more attention to this moment. I mean, it's an indicator, and I know the indicators always are lagging, but I do feel like this does a good job of kind of basically gauging the current market momentum, and it's just slowed down. So I'm going to take my profits, and right now I don't really want to, I don't know. Let's wait and see what happens here. Either we're going to rip here, make new highs, and I'm going to be a little bit sad, or this is going to just start going sideways, possibly even lower. And I'm okay with it either way. What happened to my take profit trader accounts? Well, I'm going to be resetting them. That's what happened. Overnight session, I got a little too aggressive. Are you talking? I mean, those were just evals. I thought everybody understood that, but those were just evals. I'm going to try to get, I'm going to reset them. I'm going to go again. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up on take profit trader. We are not giving up. Take profit trader just has too much potential to be giving up on him. Even though it's ugly. I'm not even going to keep talking about it. I'm not even going to keep talking about it. We're just going to grind. We are going to grind until we get there, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, now this is starting to look like maybe we take out that 900 again. There she goes. I know. I mean, I am really excited about Lucid though. Lucid Trading and being having them on Tradeovate. My plan with Lucid is I'm waiting for them to transfer one. I have one account with Rhythmic, and I already reached out to them. They're going to transfer that one Rhythmic account, and they're going to transfer it over to my Tradeovate. And once I have that account, then I'm going to be. I'll have my 5 Lucid accounts. I'm just gonna look for like $800 days, and I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna be trading like 1 to 2 minis on those Lucid accounts. I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive on those, but I'm excited. I'm excited for it. Hey, Carolina, you got a Perdia straight to funding. Let's go. I've actually been looking at Perdia. Honestly, I'm waiting for them to have a really good sale. I'm waiting for them to have a really good sale, and then I will probably add them. But right now, honestly, they're offering 60% off. Oh, really? But does it have to be like your first account ever with them or just one time use? Oh, first time user. Yeah, see, I'm not a first time user, so right now I'm just going to wait. iMan is big on Prudia. I wanted to check them out myself. Yeah. Yeah, good old iMan. Yes, Lynn, I am doing straight to fund it with Lucid. I am. I'm just I just want to be I don't know. I've been getting really good payouts with Lucid, so I feel like it's okay. I can do that, but man, this has been I mean, it is slowly grinding higher here, but barely. It's barely going higher. Let's see if we get above that 9. It seems like we're bumping our head at the 900s, but this is probably going to rip here. Yep. 905s. There she goes. Definitely could have held. Could have held. It's okay. I'm not going to get too upset about it. Here we go. This is starting to have the makings of a slow grind higher day. And we just got to be ready to take advantage of it. I was wanting to wait for my other. Actually, you know what? I'm going to reach out to Lucid support again. Can I? Look at that. That's crazy. Chat, we should have held. It makes me think of the what is the book called? Because every time I'm struggling with my trading, there's like a couple books that I read. I don't read it, I actually listen to them. But it's The Best Loser Wins and Tom Hogarth's book. Oh, what is Tom Hogarth's book called? Good luck, Captain Crunch. Good luck. Best loser wins. What's the other one? Best loser wins is Hogart. What's the other one? Trading in the Zone. Thank you. Thank you, David. So, Trading in the Zone and Best Loser Wins. Those are the two books I always listen to when I'm going in a slump. Like when I'm just not trading well. Those two books are the ones that I really fall back on, and I could have done better on that trade. I could have done better because I'm trying. One thing I'm trying to do is putting in my target, my stop loss, and hey, let the trade work. We didn't quite do that, but I'm not going to be too hard on myself, but probably could have done a little bit better on that one. But those two books kind of just reset my thinking, and they kind of like, okay, I know what I need to do better. I know what I'm doing wrong. For me, that's the big thing that helps me when I'm in a slump. If I go into a trading slump and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, that's where I really start to struggle, or like that's what gets me. When you aren't playing golf, what do you read? Oh, when I'm not playing golf well? When I'm not playing golf well, honestly, I just play more. I just play more. Gonna write a book called Full Port. Okay, we are pulling back again. All right, did we test the 920s? Yes, we did. All right, so we officially took out yesterday's high now. We officially have taken out yesterday's high. I guess we almost did the other one, but now we're pulling back all the way back to the 900s, so I don't know, I guess this is where you got to be careful. I feel like I've just seen this movie too many times where NQ it'll trap those longs, previous day highs, and then just, I would not be shocked if we see a pullback, like a 50-point pullback. And you know what time it is? It's 11 o'clock. We all know what 11 o'clock means. 11 o'clock means this thing could roll over. Even though I got a big payout today, I'm still not happy and really frustrated myself for making a really bad trade on the other accounts that were close to payout. Yeah, I see. I've been there. I've been there. When I mean, I feel. I mean, that's just trading, because actually I need to update my stats, or what would you call them? I need to update my expenses, my payouts. My payout, my expenses are going to skyrocket for September. I might have 6,000 in payout. I might have 6,000 in expenses that 6 to 7,000 expenses that I have to add in the last week. I mean, I just, with Lucid this morning, I don't want to even think about it, but I'm going to do a video on my September payouts. Let me look here, actually. Let me do some calculations. Because we got a Lucid payout on yesterday or last night. So let me just look real quick. Yeah, I mean, we are probably, yeah, we'll end the month. We'll definitely end the month green. Man, look at this price action. Man. This is, I'm just gonna wait, but like this is my month. So we have 32,000 payouts in September. It does not feel like it does not feel like that if I'm being honest. But this number is probably going to double. Close to double. I'm going to have at least 15,000 in expenses for September, and that is unacceptable. Makes me want to that makes me shiver. That is not sustainable. That is just not sustainable. I'm proud. I mean, it might be 17,000. Which, if I have 17,000 in payout in expenses, I'm going to end up with about 16,000 profit for September. Which I guess isn't, I mean, we've had worse months, I guess, but it feels worse. It feels way worse. Honestly, if we didn't have that 15,000 payout from Top Step for September, we'd be basically at break even. And I know one thing, having $16,000 expenses in a month, we cannot keep doing that. We cannot keep doing that. I know that much. So I don't know. I don't know how we, obviously, if we keep blowing accounts, it's going to keep happening. But I guess I got to keep it in perspective. It's still a green month, and I've had way worse months. But for some reason, this month, it feels worse. I mean, it feels worse because I blew up twice. I blew up 1st of September, and then I blew up literally 3 weeks later. I think that's why it feels so much worse. But one thing I have to stop doing is getting overconfident. Yeah, exactly, Tanush. That's really what it comes down to. I got to get better at discipline and my risk management. I got to avoid those big blow up days. It's very simple, really. I mean, it's not easy to do, but I know what I need to do. But wow, look at this now. Now this is our first time we have failed at making a new high. And if we make a new low below the 890s here, now we sit on our hands, wait for a deeper pullback. Honestly, now I just want us to establish kind of a shelf, or we want to, if we can establish like a support area where to buy. I still think we go higher, but it might go until the afternoon session before we make highs. Yeah, Tanush, I've been where you've been many times. The only thing that saved me was my data loss limit. Yeah, and I see, okay, I don't want to make excuses here at all. But I do think, in my defense, again, not an excuse, but there is a direct correlation between when QuantGuard, since QuantGuard has been having issues with their implementation with Trade-of-8, there's a direct correlation with my risk management. And I'm not like, I need to be, not having that ability to lock myself out has really, really caused some issues for me. And in a weird way, when I couldn't lock myself out, it was almost like I was giving myself permission to keep trading in a very twisted kind of way. In a twisted way, it was like, well, I can't lock myself out, so that means I can keep trading. Even though it wasn't reasonable and rational, that's how I was reasoning in my brain. But it's definitely not, I mean, again, it's not at all, it's not at all QuantGuard's fault. But I do know I need that. I need the ability to lock myself out. I do know that. All right, market trying to make a move. See, I feel like the 880s is kind of starting to establish as a support line. And let's see if this is just going to rip straight back up now. I'm not looking for a long entry here though. Hey! Look at who's here. John. Good to see you, John. Good to see you. GAT is not on my Ninja Trader anymore. It is not. And I mean, for multiple reasons. Yeah, I mean, it sounds kind of dumb saying it, but the problem with Guardian Angel Trader is there's workarounds. There's too easy workarounds to bypass that lockout feature. And that's what I don't like. Hey, it's good to be back, John. Wow, look at that. I mean, I guess we just wait and see. But right now, this 880 area is definitely, I'm gonna mark a line right here. The 880s. And let's see if we, as long as this 880 level holds, then I think we keep looking for longs. I think this thing keeps going higher. How is it going with QuantGuard? I mean, I know they have a couple bugs to work out. I've been in contact with Miles, and they do. He feels like he's very close to having everything ironed out. I'm gonna just wait to really. I'm gonna wait to really promote it and recommend it for other. Right now, I would not recommend it because right now there's just a lot of bugs still. So I would recommend wait until the bugs have been worked out. Once we go a week, once we can go a full week with no issues, then I feel okay with it. All right. That is now the second attempt at new highs and failure. So I don't know. This thing could dump. If you've been bearish all day long, and if you've been just itching to short the market, below the 880s is that's where the entry I would look for. If we lose the 880s, that's where I would look to get short if I was looking to get short, but I'm not. That's URX. Not financial advice, by the way. You were granted access, but let's see. I couldn't. Oh, okay. I see, Hario. Yep. I see. Hey, good luck. Max 90. I need to reach out again, but it's been over a week. I haven't heard anything back from my original. Basically, I was these are all legitimate. We'll look into it, but we'll look into it basically. And I've not heard any like update from that. I've asked twice. Feel like I'm kind of getting I'm basically getting the same treatment that you guys are getting is it's kind of what I'm saying, I guess. Hey, DL, we are back. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Historically, the market goes up after a shutdown. I wonder why. What makes the market go higher after a shutdown? Like, isn't that a sign that the market or the government should just stay shut down? We don't need a government. We don't need a government. Hey, Di Lorenzo, good to see you. Good to be back. It's great to be back. Honestly, it is. The first yesterday was the first day that I was like really missed. I really missed streaming. The first couple days was really good to just I didn't look at the markets. It was good to just take a break. Once you stare at the screens for so long and then things just start to nothing is going right. Sometimes the best thing to do is just walk away for a couple days and just really don't even look at the market. The government is as productive today as it's ever been. Exactly, David. Exactly. All right, we are testing that 880 level. I mean, I'm not going to just blindly be going long here. But if we see a big dip down here, I think this thing could be in for a bigger pullback. This could be going lower. Honestly, what I'm hoping, I hope we just kind of go sideways here. And then I feel like the longs this afternoon will be in play. See if we get another bounce off the 880s, or if not, we could come all the way back down to the 840s and retest that 15-minute opening range. That 15-minute opening range high is at the 840s. Maybe we come test that. Hey, good luck, Black Coffee. By the way, we need to figure out someone needs let's help each other. Who else is trading in this influencer cup? Does anybody else trade live? We should check. Probably not. I'm probably the only one dumb enough to do this live, but our good friend Roderick Casilli. There's some winners on this board, by the way. There are some winners on this board, I've decided. Uncle Bugatti, he's a real one. JMU, I don't think he trades live. I don't think Forex maybe trades with Jess. She might be trading live. I'm not sure. I don't even know how we can tell. Nope. Trading with Travis. Maybe I know Travis was live. Hasn't been live in a while. Nope, he's not live. FOMO Trader. I don't even know who these people are, so he's not even trading. Methodical Man. Man, I haven't watched some of these people in a while. He is live, but doesn't look. I don't know if he's showing his accounts. Well, I don't know. Pine Tree. Is Pine Tree trading? We're just giving these guys some free publicity. Yeah, Methodical Man trades live, but he's not showing. I'm looking for someone that's actually trading live the influencer cup, like this account. I'm trying to see if anybody else has. I'm just trying to see what my competition is doing. The Mighty Ox. Who's, man, I do remember him, but I don't think he does live trading either. Okay, yeah, he does, but he's not live right now. It is crazy though to me. Like I again, I'm not the police here, so don't interpret this the wrong way, but when I watch streamers, it is insane to me. There are just very few streamers that are showing their accounts and showing their live entries and exits. You can count them all on one hand, probably. It's kind of crazy to me, or I don't know. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Does Apex have a deal right now? I don't think so. Not that I'm aware of right now at the moment. Man, this is where it gets very tempting to try along with if we break above this 890. That's very tempting here to take this. I'm doing it. I'm going to look for just prior highs right here. It's a little sketch. It's a little sketchy because we failed to make new highs here and here. And this could be just another leg lower. I almost feel like I could put my stop right here. I'm going to actually do that. I'm going to have a pretty tight stop here. Let it work. was hoping we'd see a big rip right through that 90s, but now we're pulling back right away. Not ideal. Let's just be patient. Oh, wait, Myth is trading live? Okay, nice. Come on, rip it. Don't tease me here. Don't tease me. Just go to my target. Come on, market. That's dirty. That's a dirty move. This is typical lunchtime chop. Typical lunchtime chop fest. Maybe we can get going right here. Come on, market. Rip it. Rip it. Do it. Do it now. This is brutal. We need a big rip here. Come on.
Order filled.
Rip it. Right here. Do it. Don't tease me. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see if we make new highs. Let's see if we make new highs. I don't even mind, honestly, if we go in a range. As long as this 880 level holds, then I don't want to... I just want to be buying the setups close, like down here. I don't want to be buying up here. Hey, let's go. Now I'm curious if this is just going to pull right back down or if this is going to break out and make new highs. Hang on, I'm trying to reply to a text here. Oh, man, I cannot believe that we in literally 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 weeks. 4 weeks. I cannot believe it. 4 weeks. We are heading to Florida. Wow. I can't believe we're already in October. It is the 1st of October, and in 4 weeks we are heading for Florida. We'll be in Florida for basically until April. I can't believe it. The summer went by really quickly. Really, really quickly. There's one thing we can all agree on. Dorothy Mantooth is a saint. I have no idea what you do. Okay. I will not be streaming from the closet. We are not going to be in the same home. We are not in the same house. So the house we're staying in here, which we have bought, it's not a big room where I'm going to be streaming at. It's a smaller room than I'm in here, but it's still like, I think it's like 10 foot by 10 foot is the room, and this room is like 12 foot by 12 foot. So it's not terrible. We'll be able to have a similar setup to what we have here. My goal is, I think I'm only going to be taking my PC down to Florida. I'm going to take my PC to Florida, and then I'm going to basically, I'm gonna have a separate desk, separate monitors in Florida. But then when I get down there, I can just plug in my computer to my monitors and I should be good to go. I feel like that's going to be easier than having another PCs down there where I will. Wow, look at that. We are new highs. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. We are very bullish today, folks. No, Kavarka, I have not updated my expenses. Actually, you know what? I got nothing better to do. Let me just update my expenses right now. This is gonna hurt. I don't even want to know what my expenses are right now, but I need to just do it. I need to just, it's gonna be ugly. I think I reset almost exactly because I tried to pass 20 Apex evals. Okay, listen to me, guys. You think getting these 5 Apex accounts was easy? It could not be anything further from the truth. Because I reset when Apex came out with the $85 lifetime fee. When they came out with that deal, my stupid self thought, you know what? I'm going to try to pass 20 accounts. And I did. I tried it 3 times. 3 times. And I was $800 close. I'm not even joking. I was so upset. I was $800 close to passing 20 accounts on the first try. On my first try, I was $800 close. And then I was just stupid. I traded at the end of the day, right at the close of 4 o'clock, and it got me. And I was also going obviously way too hard and way too big a size, but man, was I frustrated. So I reset, blew them again, reset. I had 60 accounts, 60 evals. Poof, blown. And then I switched and tried to do 5 at a time. And I think it took me 4 rounds to even do that. So trust me, my expenses are not going to be pretty. But we might as well bite the bullet and do it right now. I need to export my credit card expenses first. Oh, and then I bought Lucid accounts this morning. That's not going to make anything easier. Actually, technically, those Lucid accounts would be October expenses. I didn't even think of that. I didn't even think of that. So that might actually save my, it will make, I mean it's not really going to make a difference, but it's going to basically make my September, it's going to make my September look a little bit better than probably I thought it would. And no, actually, no, it couldn't. No. Meanwhile, the market just keeps going higher. I don't know what to do. It is what it is. Yay. Oh, really, Captain Crunch? I see. I didn't even know that. Do you buy Eval or straight to funded? Tom, I I go with straight to funded. I do. I'm not sure it's smart to do that, but I like their they have a bigger daily loss limit on their straight to funded and a bigger max drawdown on straight to funded. But obviously it is way more expensive. So I don't know. I don't know that you got to use your own discretion and oh man, this is brutal. Look at this market just continuing to grind higher. Ay, ay, ay. All right, the official numbers are in. This is disgusting. Gosh, did I actually spend that much money the last week? That's insane. All right, year-to-date expenses have been updated. I have no further comment at this time. Oh, you know what? We need to update our payouts as well. Because we did get another payout. So that will make it not quite as bad. Look at that. Now we're just going straight back up. Come on, man. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Hang on. Shoot. Hang on, guys. I'm almost done. Almost done, I think. Man, this is brutal. Okay, am I done? Let me look. I am done per month. Man, we are really, I really think we're going to go to the 25,000s today. Okay, Lucid. Am I updated there? Okay, here. You want to see degeneracy? Look at this. Look at how many of these resets. This is actually embarrassing. I shouldn't even show this. Look at that. Look at all these stupid resets. Unbelievable. Ugh. Okay, let's not talk about that anymore. Moving on, moving on. We just avoided 60,000 in total expenses by a tick, by a couple ticks. All right, market. We really just gonna keep grinding this thing higher, huh? Well, I feel. Hang on, I want to check something. One more thing. Lucid Trading. How are we doing? All right. And there she goes. New highs. I'm not sure. All right. Hey, what is going on here? All right, I need to wait. What? I moved my line. All right. All right, I don't know that I'm going to trade this. I got to wait for something. But we really might just do the slow grind higher the rest of the day. I don't know how to trade this. A good accountant could have gotten you to 60K. Best guess trading. You know what I thought about the last couple days while I was racking up my expenses? Every time I buy or reset an account, I would think to myself, hey, this is a good expense. I can write it off on my taxes. It made me feel just a little bit better. Not much, not by much, but it did make me feel a little bit better. All right. I might, I don't know. I just don't think, I'm not sure this is worth trading. We're just continuing to grind higher. And, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm definitely not going to go short. Do I trade under an LLC? I do not. All right. There's a pullback right back to the 9 EMA. Right now, the 9 EMA seems to be holding up pretty well. But you know what I might do? I might go reset my take profit trader accounts, go long, put my target on for the day, and go golfing. Let's let this thing grind higher if it wants to, because it sure looks like we're just going to have a grinding higher session. I mean, you could just buy these little dips, I guess, but I'm kind of scared. I'm scared of that 50-point pullback that we've all seen. It's doable. It's definitely a possibility. Captain Crunch. I think I'm good. Man, look at that. Just immediate bounce off the 9 EMA and right back up. ES flush, then pop. Yeah. You guys ever have a bad or not so great day, but feel really good because you're starting to see the chart better. Yeah, definitely dabbed. But I mean, has any one of you? I'm sure you've gone through it. I call it PTSD because once you blow a couple accounts, like it usually makes me a little bit timid. It makes me a little bit timid, and I get scared a little bit too easy. Or I get a little bit more hesitant on my entries. That is probably that's definitely a real deal, a real thing that you got to kind of get over it, but it's easier said than done. Yeah, you have the trader PTSD. Yep, that's what I have. It's trader trauma. It is. I definitely have it. I have the trader trauma of that 50-point red candle dump. And honestly, that's probably why I should be. I mean, I should probably just be buying these dips, but I got that trauma in me. And it's going to take a little bit to get over it. All right, I think I might call it. I might call it. I need to. I think I need to go mow the lawn today. I need to go mow the lawn, and this market. This is crazy how it just grind like the daily chart. Look at this wick. I feel like I should be taking more trades with this kind of market, but first day back, trading funded accounts. I don't mind my red on my Apex accounts. I'm totally I'm fine with that. Trying to learn to walk away with a red day. And I want to wait to trade my Lucid accounts until I get all 5 of my accounts here. But oh, it's crazy. It's crazy, this slow grind higher. I think we go mow the lawn. I think that's going to be more fun than watching this market. Yeah, man, I'm so tense. I'm not going to do it. You know what? I'm not going to do it. All right, I'm going to call it. I'm probably going to, well, I am going to reset my take profit trader accounts. And I might just go long and go mow the lawn and come back. The way this market's grinding higher, I do think we see the 25,000s today. Feel like we are destined to see the 25,000s, but I don't know. I mean, who knows? Who knows? This thing could dump 50 points, 100 points from here. Who knows? But all right, I think I'm going to call it here, folks. We will be back tomorrow. Thanks everyone for tuning back in. It was great to be back. It was a great day. Took a couple. I'm totally happy with how I traded today. We did good. We did good for the first day. So let's hope we can keep it going. All right, everybody. Take care. Appreciate you all. And God bless.